Hey team, today we're going to make an ice brew coffee. You need 33 grams of coarse coffee, 200 grams of ice, and 300 mils of hot water. First up, grab your ice and pour that into the funnel insert. After that, grab the filter and put that on top. If you've got a paper filter, remember to rinse the filter first. Then pour the coffee grinds evenly over the filter. And then you're going to need 66 mils of hot water. Pour that over in a circular motion and then let it bloom for 30 seconds so all the bubbles have gone. Then in a circular motion, pour the rest of the water, remove the plastic funnel insert, and then grab it, pour yourself a delicious glass of ice brew coffee, and then enjoy. Thanks team.